What you see here are the results I got from using the business model I'm going to share with you in this video. This is just a lead generation kind of affiliate marketing program. And I've been experimenting with this idea, and I'm glad to say that I developed a solid system with a unique strategy that everyone can follow with as little effort as possible. All you need to do is drive traffic to this offer, and whenever someone signs up, you will get $30 for free. So I'm going to show you exactly how to drive traffic to this kind of offer, and where to get this kind of offer that pays just for signups. And if you follow my step-by-step guide, you will be able to make a minimum of $9,000 every month, at a minimum of 10 signups per day, which is $300. And in 30 days, you will be making about $9,000. That's pretty easy, guy. So first, we're going to find an affiliate marketplace. There are tons of different affiliate marketplaces, like ClickBank, Sell Health, GiddyUp, Digistore24, Warrior Plus, ShareASale, and so on and so forth. But for this video, I'm going to use OfferVault, and I'm going to walk you through how to use this platform as we proceed. And when choosing your affiliate programs, make sure you go with offers that can actually help people with their goals. Choose something that you feel like people will be interested in. Don't just choose the ones with the highest commissions. Make sure that the products or offers are good. For this video, I'm just going to use this affiliate program. This method is completely free to get started with. It's perfect for beginners, and it doesn't even require any skills or experience. So this business model requires only 4 different websites for use. The first website is called OfferVault. This is where we'll choose that $1 million offer. And what's even crazy is that there are already thousands of them here. The second website is called Histock.com. This is where we'll be getting free-to-use images for our offer. The third website is called Canva.com. This platform will help us create beautiful designs for our affiliate offer. The fourth website is called ChatGPT to help create product descriptions and titles for Pinterest. And lastly, we'll use Pinterest to drive traffic to our affiliate links. Pinterest is a platform with over 460 million users, and more than 50% of users are from the USA, which ultimately makes it the best social media platform for this offer, which will help us to make more money in affiliate commissions. And this is the fastest way to make $10,000 a month using Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy. Without further ado, let's get started. Right now, I'm going to show you exactly where you can find this kind of offer that pays just for leads and not sales. So head over to OfferVault.com and you will be brought up to this page. There are several affiliate programs you can actually join for free. And you don't need to wait for approval to get access to these offers. Over here, when you click on the Affiliate Marketing Network, you will be presented with a lot of affiliate networks. We have Guru Media, we have Max Bounty, we have Sell Health, and all that. You can join all of these platforms right now and start making money by simply driving traffic to the offers. And here's how to find an offer. Simply type your desired keyword in the search bar, and for us, it's debt. And there you go. Here are offers that pay per lead. Some require just sign-ups calls from prospects, while others require just the submission of an email address, and you will be getting paid. Pretty easy, right? And when you get that $1 million offer, just click to see more, and it brings you up here. Now click on the Run Offer button to go to the product website, where you get to sign up as an affiliate, and that's it. Here's our offer that we'll be promoting, and if you want to promote the same offer, I will drop a link in the description box. Alternatively, just type curadebt.com in your browser and follow through. Curadebt has a lot of interesting offers. You can go with the per pay call, per pay lead, or any of these. And for this tutorial, I will go with this. I recently made a video about affiliate programs that pay per sign up, so you should see it, and I will leave you with the link in the description box. So right now, click here to sign up, and when you do, you will be brought up to this interface. And the best part is that you don't need to wait for any approval, unlike other platforms. And here's your affiliate link. Now that we have our affiliate link, it is time to start driving traffic to this offer. But before that, head over to the second website, which is called iStock.com. This is where we'll be getting free-to-use images for our offer. Now type the word debt-free in the search bar, and there you go. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to search for lookalike images for the strategy to yield an expected result. And you want to choose the image that people can actually resonate with. So I think I like this. I'm going to click on the similar image to see more. And there we go. We've got similar images that we can work with. So I will choose a lookalike character, but with a different act or so. And this is perfect. So I am just going to right-click to have it saved on my desktop. And you might be like, why do we have to get lookalike images, right? Well, don't worry, you will get to understand the strategy shortly. Just pay close attention. And if you need to get even better images, I found a good keyword to use. Just type debt-free clip art in the search bar and there you go. This is more like an illustration or so. You should explore the best images for the offer. And as you can see, we have a lot of beautiful images here. So you want to scroll through to get the best image. And when you're satisfied with the images, this will lead us to the next website, over to canva.com. And if you are new here, don't worry. Canva does have a user-friendly interface, and all you need to do is pay close attention. Over here, just type in Pinterest pins, and you should use the recommended format, which is 1000 by 1500. And there you go. So click on the blank space to use it, and it will bring you to this space. This is where you're going to work in, okay? So click on the upload button. Now upload the images we downloaded. I've got my images here. One thing I want to do right now is add a background to it. I'm just going to click over there, add this to the background, and just create something really simple. And there you have our design. And it says, how to get out to get rid of your debt in 2024. And you can actually do better. You should try out different images with different styles. One thing you should do is create different designs using this concept. And I believe you understand the concept, right? Now click over here and download this image. Now we are transitioning into the most strategic part. And this is where we are going to determine how much we are willing to make, so you want to follow the steps closely. Now over to Pinterest.com. As seen on SimilarWeb, Pinterest does have insanely high monthly traffic, and we are going to tap into it. So scroll down to sign up, but you will need to sign up for a business account, so click on Business over here. And when you are signed in, you will be brought here. If you look closely, people are already searching for debit relief programs, debit relief services, debit relief tips, and all of that. This shows good indications. Click here, where it says Pinterest, and you will be brought here. And you have a lot of features to help with increasing sales because you sign up for the business account. But we want to focus on using the organic traffic. So click on Create a Pin, and it's going to bring you up here. So what we're going to do right now is import our image, which we created on Canva.com. As you can see, I think it's looking pretty. For the title and description, we will be using AI to help out. Head over to ChatGPT and ask for a description using this prompt. And there you have it. But feel free to come up with your own description if you want to. And here is the title ChatGPT generate. Feel free to request a rewrite if need be, like I just did. These are preferable, and I will go with the first one. It says, how to break free from debt to your part of financial liberation begins with a free consultation. Who doesn't want a free consultation, right? So that's the catch. So we're going to use this and head back to Pinterest. We're going to paste this here, and also paste our description. So if you don't have a board yet, a board is just a place where you house all your pins. So you need to create a board for different categories or subtopics, so to speak. So for this, we're going to leave it at financial freedom. Here you want to add tags, which are like keywords. We're going to add debt, mortgages, loans, and all that related stuff. For the link, go back to curadebt.com and grab your affiliate links. You paste it here, and that's it, guys. Now you're done, and it's looking pretty nice. You want to click on Publish to make it go live. Now, if you want to get ahead of everyone else and make a lot of money with this Pinterest strategy, then you have to do this. The good part is that nobody is buying anything, which makes it easier to market. You will need to leverage on Pinterest ads, which works like magic if done properly. And if you really want to be successful with the strategy by running effective ads on Pinterest but you don't know how to get started, please let me know in the comments section. I just might consider making a free video tutorial on how to promote an affiliate offer with Pinterest ads, only if the demand is high. I hope you find this super helpful. And if you do, please hit the like button. I will see you in my next video. Cheers, guys!